Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can convert this Microsoft Word document here into PDF. Yes, so for instance, say you do this, I wanted to convert it to PDF, just send it. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way. Just come all the way up to the File tab, I click. Now when I click on the File tab right here, notice right down here is a new, open, share, get out in, info, save as, print, export, transform, close, and account. So what you want to focus on is export. Now you click on the word export right here. You notice right here, so create PDF, XP document. You're going to come all the way in the middle right here. You're going to click. Now when you click, you notice this particular area here, you want to ensure that you save on the so that you can see quickly. Right? If you notice right here, saving type is PDF. Right? If you come right here, you can select option. These are some other area in which you can actually do. Alright, so when I finish, I'm going to click on republish. Alright, and definitely what you will see definitely to show me. So this is right here is my PDF document. Alright, very important. My PDF document. If I come right here and minimize. Right, if you notice, this is my PDF document. Right, so very important. So this is how we can actually convert Microsoft Word right here into PDF. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.